is Barbie with Make-A-Wish, and we are out at Sawyer's house, and the chicken coop is coming together. I am here with generous volunteers from Tri-City Industry, Kiwanis and Home Depot. They are putting together a fence for me and this amazing chicken coop that was donated by Carolina Coops. I am beyond grateful today for all of the people out here making things happen. There's Dad, there's Sawyer. He's out playing with his new friend from Home Depot.
Wishes are important to me because as a Kiwanian and just as a human being, if I can touch some child's life in some small way, that means the world to me. And I know that's important to our club and what we do in our community.
I guess make a wish. I mean, just going through and just showing that people care. It's always definitely important to have something like that, to have that kind of hope out there.
We're so glad to be a participant in a project such as this because young people's wishes really touch the heart, and it's nice to be able to move forward and do something that will make a wish come true for some special child.
My name is Matt Du Bois with Carolina Coops, and my company donated a chicken coop to Sawyer to help make his wish come true to have backyard chickens. The reason why I think wishes are important for kids is because he needs something that he can still believe in. And I personally think that the power of the mind can heal anything. And something as simple as making a wish come true could change his life. It meant the world to me to be able to do that.
Can you hold him?
Yeah. It's a baby chicken.
That's a baby Silky.
Are you so excited?